In the fast-paced world of Forex trading, scalping techniques can be your game changer. They're like quick jabs in a boxing match, small, swift, and if done right, highly effective. So what's Forex scalping? It's a strategy that involves making numerous trades within minutes, aiming for tiny price changes to accumulate profits. It's not about hitting a home run, but rather getting on base, over and over again. Key to this is timing. Market volatility is your friend here. When prices are on the move, that's your cue. But remember, scalping is not for the faint-hearted. It requires laser-like focus, swift decision-making, and solid risk management. One popular technique is the stochastic oscillator, a momentum indicator comparing a particular closing price of a security to its price range over a certain period. It helps identify potential reversal points. Another technique is Bollinger Bands. This tool uses a set of trend lines plotted 2 standard deviations away from a simple moving average. It's like a rubber band. The more stretched it is, the more likely it is to snap back. Forex scalping is not a get-rich-quick scheme, but with the right techniques, discipline, and a dash of daring, you can turn those tiny wins into a healthy profit. Remember, in the world of trading, sometimes less is more. Time's up for now, but the market never sleeps. So stay sharp, trade smart, and let the pips fall where they may.